No more mice, cockroaches, and other insects in your home? If you are facing a plague of rats, cockroaches, and other insects and prefer to avoid the use of dangerous poisons, this tip is especially for you. This homemade solution is completely safe and does not involve the use of any toxic substances. To start, our trick has cornstarch as its first ingredient. In a bowl, add 3 generous tablespoons of starch. You have asked me for this recipe a lot, so I am bringing it to you today, since I imagine that nobody likes to receive a visit from these unwelcome bugs. After adding the cornstarch, we will also add sugar, preferably white sugar, in the same quantity as the starch, that is, 3 tablespoons. Finally, add a tablespoon of baking soda and mix well to combine all the ingredients. I love recommending good tricks, and this is one of the ones I recommend the most to my friends and even my neighbors, because it is very practical and will give great results. Once you have mixed it well, you will need a large tomato, preferably ripe. Cut the tomato into slices, leaving each slice about a finger's width wide. Once this is done, simply spread the mixture over the slices and place them in strategic places around your home. This is amazing and will keep all kinds of bugs and insects away from your home. When insects consume this mixture, the baking soda will expand in their stomachs due to the absorption of liquids, resulting in their elimination. Cockroaches and other insects that are near the slices will be attracted to it. Buy the sugar and consume the mixture. The baking soda will expand in their stomachs due to its reaction, which will be lethal to these insects, causing them to fall quickly. That's why I like to use this combination, because it is effective and very safe, as there is no risk of accidental poisoning for children or your pet. Plus, it is effective and quick to implement. This trick is truly amazing and represents a great natural and economical alternative to other traditional pest elimination methods. The best thing about it is that the ingredients needed to prepare this trick are easy to find in any market. What's more, they are cheap ingredients, which means that you won't have to spend large sums of money on chemicals or services like pest control. Well, that's all. I hope you liked it.